Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action for change subject or title using Obvio. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once we are logged in, let's open our Obvio timeline. And from this page, we just have to click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. To start, we have to set the time when we want this timeline action to be triggered. Before we do that, just a reminder that the change subject title timeline action, the minimum time to be defined should be at least 20 minutes before the webinar starts. So let's set it to that. Now, once this action executes or gets triggered 20 minutes before webinar start time, it will be a perfect 20-minute before email reminder that will be sent to all your registrants. So let's target your registrants. So target registrants, and then let's select Avio, and then let's select change subject title. So from here, we just have to type in the subject of the email that we want to be sent out 20 minutes before your webinar or event starts. So, all right. So once you're satisfied with your subject and everything else here, you just have to click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added the timeline action. So 20 minutes before your webinar start time, this timeline action will be triggered and an email will be sent to all your registrants as an email reminder. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.